This video records the load testing of all 3D grid models designed by students in 2020-21 SEM B. All models were 3D printed at the Create Center in City U Library. For each model, weight of model and group number are indicated on the whiteboard. Extracts from the computer analysis are also shown. Other design options considered are not shown. Each model was loaded for 2 minutes until the deflection reading was finally taken and indicated on the whiteboard. Stiffness per unit weight for each model are summarized at the end of the video.
Okay, this is group 1 sample. Okay. Oh, we're gonna set 0. Okay, now we put the 500 gram onto the hanger. Okay, we wait for 2 minutes.
2 minutes later.
好，2分鐘，4.403。呢個應該 millimeter 嚟係咪？Okay, this is group 2 sample. Group 2, we will set 0. Put the weight on it. Okay, we wait for 2 minutes.
2 minutes later.
2分鐘. Final deflection is 4.994. Okay, this is group 3 sample. Okay. Okay, group 3 set 0. Put the weight on it, 500 gram. And wait for 2 minutes.
2 minutes later.
58, 2分鐘. Final deflection is 6.024. Okay, this is group 4 sample. Okay, we set 0. Okay, we put the weight, 500 gram. For 2 minutes.
2 minutes later.
2分鐘. Final deflection is 4.377. Okay, this is group 5 sample. Okay, we now set 0. Okay, we put 500 gram on the hanger. Okay, we wait for 2 minutes.
2 minutes later.
唔夠，好，2分鐘. Final deflection 4.678. Okay, group 6 sample. Group 6 did not submit the model weight. Okay, anyway, we test. Okay, we set 0. And then we put the weight. And And then we wait for 2 minutes.
2 minutes later.
2 minutes. Final deflection 5.894. This is group 7 sample. I don't know why the color is different, and this is the heaviest model. Now we set 0. Okay, we put 500 gram. Okay, we wait for 2 minutes.
2 minutes later.
59 2分鐘. Final deflection is 5.899. Okay, this is group 8 sample. Okay, we set 0. Okay, we put the weight on. And then we wait for 2 minutes.
2 minutes later.
58 59 2分鐘. 4.989 啦. Okay, this is group 9 sample. Spider web configuration. Okay, we set 0. And then 500 gram. Okay, and then we start for 2 minutes.
2 minutes later.
59 2分鐘. Maximum deflection is 4.714. Okay, this is group 10 sample. This is the lightest 最輕嘅 sample. Okay, group 10. Set 0 again. Okay, we put the weight on it. Okay, we wait for 2 minutes.
2 minutes later.
58 59 2分鐘. Maximum deflection 7.837. Oh, this is group 11 sample. Okay, we can set 0. And then we put the weight 500 gram. Okay, we wait for 2 minutes.
2 minutes later.
59 2分鐘. Maximum deflection is 3.499. Okay, this is group 12 sample. Okay, we set 0. Put the weight on.
2 minutes later.
59 2分鐘. Maximum deflection is 7.381. Okay, this is group 13 sample. Group 13, we set 0 again. And then we put the weight on. Okay.
2 minutes later.
2 minutes. Deflection 10.313. The largest deflection. Okay, this is group 16 sample. Okay. Okay, we set 0. Put the weight.
2 minutes later,
2分鐘 maximum deflection 6.372. Oh. Okay, this is group 17, the second last group. Okay, we set 0. Put the weight on.
2 minutes later,
59 2分鐘 maximum deflection 7.130 7.130. Okay, the last sample, group 18. Okay, we set 0. Okay, 500 gram.
2 minutes later,
59 2分鐘 maximum deflection 5.793 啦 5.793.
Stiffness per unit weight summary. The models are compared by the formula 500 gram over deflection, then over the model weight.